Welcome to the 360 Key Individual and FSP Compliance Management Software version 1 2020, the first, all-in-one, user-friendly compliance management software for small to medium financial services providers. Let us start the program. Before you can log into the application, you need to register your personal details including your username and the type of access level in your company. Once you have registered, simply select your username and enter your password and log in. Then click OK. Before you enter the application, it's important to read the disclaimer information about the software application. By clicking Enter, you accept the understand and accept the disclaimer. After you enter the application, you will be taken to the main dashboard where you have 5 access login areas, namely, Key Individual, Representative, Compliance Officer, Client Queries Management and lastly Reports Dashboard. All these access areas have logins for those users who are authorized. Now, let's start with Key Individual. After login, you will be taken to a Key Individual multi-dashboard access areas from Compliance Policies, Risk Monitoring, Competency Register, Regulatory Submissions to Compliance Reports and more. Let us take a moment to these access areas briefly in the next few minutes. Remember, this application does not replace your regulatory duties but assists you managing your duties efficiently. Now let us have a look at the representative dashboard. Here you will find 3 sectors, each with its own sub-menus, from Representative Info Center, Compliance Center and Client Management. Representative can complete their personal information or update their information in this section, which updates representative register and staff files. The Client Management Capture section is a customer management system where your representative can capture all new business, clients, sales or policies and attach their application forms plus any other documents required for compliance. The representative also have access to client onboarding checklist to ensure that they have requested all the compliance documents from the client or customer. The third access area is for the compliance officer. When the compliance officer visits your FSP, they can log in directly to your application to do an audit of your FSP. From checking the representative register, FSP information, fit and proper questionnaire status, FSP financial status to submitting the compliance report. The compliance officer can make comments and make recommendation on the application. The compliance officer can sample FSP clients' files to ensure that they are compliant and all the necessary documents are in place. The fourth access area is the Client Query Management System, which is a CRM system. The Client Queries Pool area shows an instant overview of all the queries received, pending, escalated, resolved and closed at a glance. You can also email reports of queries status to the responsible administrator. Next, click on Enter. This is where the queries administrator will capture new queries. Here, new queries will be captured and a query status allocated for each query. Once the query is resolved, the administrator will email the client to update them regarding their query. The last section is the reports dashboard, which is only accessed by the key individual as it contains sensitive reports about the whole FSP. Here you can preview various reports, print and email reports a click of the button. You can get reports for the various access areas of the application all in one area. When emailing your reports, you can select your desired format from Excel to PDF. So that is the whole main screen dashboard. Paperless, easy to use and user-friendly. Now, how much do you think this application will cost you? For all-in-one compliance value? Well, it will only cost you as little as 55 Rand a month subscription or 594 Rand a year subscription with a 10% discount with software application support. You can take your time now to think about it or order this application today as there are limited licenses that are available for this application. Thank you for your time and look forward to building a sustainable business relationship with you.